Hello everyone! In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best fingerprint keyless entry door lock to help you upgrade your home security with smarter, faster access. Welcome to Best Product, where we make your buying decisions simple and stress-free. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Desloc Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Desloc Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock makes coming home effortless and secure with multiple convenient ways to unlock your door. This smart deadbolt from Desloc gives you and your family flexible access without ever needing to fumble for keys. You can choose from 8 different unlock methods, including fast fingerprint recognition, PIN code, app control, e-keys, key fobs, physical keys, and even voice control when paired with the G2 gateway. The advanced AI fingerprint sensor works in less than 0.3 seconds and supports up to 50 different fingerprints. It learns and adapts reliably, making it great even for dry skin or older users when you register the same finger from multiple angles. Inside the TT-Lock app, you can easily manage everything through Bluetooth. Create scheduled or temporary access codes for family members, guests, or visitors so you always know who enters your home without handing out physical keys. The app puts full control right in your pocket for simple and confident access management. Installation is straightforward and DIY-friendly. It fits most standard US doors, and you can set it up with just a screwdriver in a short time. When you need help, Desloc provides 12 months product warranty plus lifetime US-based phone support and 24/7 email assistance. Power comes from 4 AA batteries that last up to 12 months with normal use. A low battery indicator gives you plenty of warning, and the handy USB-C emergency power port lets you power it up quickly if needed. The lock stays reliable in all kinds of weather thanks to its IP54 water resistance and ability to handle temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. It also meets BHMA Grade 3 standards for solid durability. The sleek and modern design blends nicely with any door while delivering strong security and everyday convenience. Everything feels well built and thoughtfully engineered for real-life use. Overall, the Desloc Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock combines fast and accurate fingerprint access, 8 flexible unlock options, smart app management, long battery life, easy installation, and tough weather resistance into one dependable smart home solution. It brings modern convenience and peace of mind to your front door every single day. Next, at number 4, is the Veise Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Wyze Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock brings smart, secure, and effortless access to your home that makes daily life smoother and safer. This advanced keyless lock uses fingerprint unlock powered by self-learning AI technology. It stores up to 20 fingerprints and recognizes them in just 0.2 seconds with outstanding 99.99% accuracy. The dedicated on-device AI chip continuously learns and improves with every use, becoming even more reliable over time for everyone in your family. You get 4 convenient ways to enter: fast fingerprint recognition, up to 20 customizable passwords, 2 spare mechanical keys, and temporary one-time codes for guests that automatically delete after use. The password system is very thoughtful, with a secure master password for the owner, individual user passwords for family members or tenants, and one-time passwords perfect for service providers like cleaners or dog walkers. The anti-peeping code feature lets you add extra random digits before or after your real PIN, preventing anyone from stealing it by watching over your shoulder. Security is excellent and flexible. The smart door locking feature automatically locks the door after 10 to 99 seconds, or you can use the quick one-touch lock by holding any key for 2 seconds. Inside, the rotatable knob lets you lock or unlock in just 1 second. You can also switch to passage mode when needed, enable silent mode for quiet operation, or activate vacation mode to restrict access while you are away. The Wyze lock runs for up to 365 days or more on 4 AA alkaline batteries and gives you a clear low battery alert with a red LED light so you are never caught off guard. It is built tough with ANSI Grade 3 and BHMA certification, IP54 waterproof rating, and the ability to handle extreme temperatures from -31 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. All your data stays encrypted and stored locally for maximum privacy. Setup is quick and easy, taking about 15 minutes with just a screwdriver. The lock auto detects left or right-handed doors and fits most standard doors without any drilling or hardwiring. The all-zinc alloy construction feels solid, looks modern, and resists scratches, wear, wind, rain, and sun exposure. The Veise Fingerprint keyless entry door lock combines intelligent features, strong security, and everyday convenience into one reliable package. From the fast AI fingerprint recognition and multiple unlock options to the long battery life and simple installation, it eliminates the hassle of carrying keys while giving you complete control and peace of mind for your home. Coming in at number 3, we have the Wyze Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Wyze Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock makes coming home effortless and secure with fast, reliable access and smart features you will use every day. This modern smart lock from Wyze combines speed, convenience, and flexibility, so you never have to worry about keys again. Unlocking takes just 0.5 seconds thanks to the responsive fingerprint scanner. The scratch and smudge-resistant tempered glass keeps the sensor clean and looking great while delivering consistent, accurate reads every time. The clever AI technology actually learns from every touch, constantly improving its recognition so it gets faster and more reliable the more you use it. Power lasts up to 8 months on 8AA batteries under normal use. When the batteries eventually run low, a handy USB-C port lets you connect any common power bank for quick emergency power, so you are never locked out. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Wyze app gives you total control from anywhere. You can check lock status, manage access, and even unlock the door remotely. Pair it with a Wyze video doorbell, and you can see who is at the door and unlock it instantly from the live feed, making it perfect for welcoming guests or handling deliveries. You get complete freedom to choose how you enter. Use the fast fingerprint for quick access, the app for remote control, a PIN code for convenience, or the physical keys as a reliable backup. This variety ensures the right option is always available for every situation and every member of your household. The sleek design fits nicely on standard doors while providing strong security and everyday practicality. Everything feels well built and thoughtfully engineered for real-life use. Overall, the Wyze Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock brings together fast AI fingerprint recognition, long battery life with emergency backup, full app control, multiple flexible unlock methods, and a clean modern look into one dependable smart lock. It simplifies your daily routine and gives you greater peace of mind at your front door. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Eufy Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock. The Eufy Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock makes entering your home effortless and secure with fast, flexible access options you will actually use every day. This smart deadbolt from Eufy delivers reliable performance and modern convenience without complicated setup. Unlocking takes less than 1.5 seconds with the responsive fingerprint sensor. The self-learning AI technology improves accuracy with every touch, so it adapts to your finger over time and reduces failed attempts. You also have 6 total ways to unlock: fingerprint, the Eufy security app, keypad code, physical key, Apple Watch, or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant. This gives everyone in your household an option that feels natural and convenient. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you control the lock from anywhere through the Eufy security app. Check if the door is locked, unlock remotely, or manage access codes without needing any extra bridge or hub. If you have a Eufy doorbell, you can create smooth routines that work together for even easier keyless entry and visitor management. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 8 months on 8AA batteries under normal use. A low battery warning gives you plenty of notice, so you are never caught off guard. The lock fits most standard US and Canadian deadbolts and installs in about 15 minutes with just basic tools and no drilling required. Built tough for real-world conditions, it operates reliably from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit and carries an IP53 waterproof rating. It also sends alerts for any unusual unlock attempts to keep you informed about potential security issues. Overall, the Eufy Fingerprint keyless entry door lock combines fast self-learning fingerprint recognition, 6 flexible unlock methods, built-in Wi-Fi control, long battery life, easy installation, and strong durability into one reliable smart lock. It brings modern convenience and peace of mind to your front door every single day. And finally, our top pick for the Lockstar Fingerprint keyless entry door lock. The Lockstar Fingerprint keyless entry door lock eliminates the frustration of keys and gives you and your family multiple secure, convenient ways to enter your home. This smart deadbolt from Lockstar combines speed, flexibility, and peace of mind into one easy-to-use solution. You can unlock using Fingerprint Touch ID, the secure app, keypad code, card fob, or the traditional physical key. The fast and accurate fingerprint sensor makes everyday entry quick and effortless, while the app puts full control in your pocket from anywhere. You will receive real-time notifications directly to your phone showing exactly who opened the door and when, so you always know what is happening at home. One of the most practical features is the auto lock function. Simply close the door behind you and it locks automatically, or you can manually lock it by long tapping the pound key on the keypad. This helps ensure your home stays secure without extra steps, especially useful for busy households. Installation is straightforward and DIY-friendly. The Lockstar works on virtually any standard door and requires only a screwdriver for most setups. A simple how-to guide walks you through the process, and you can have it installed quickly without professional help. The app also makes it perfect for rental properties or frequent guests. You can create temporary access codes or fobs and revoke them instantly, giving you complete control without ever exchanging physical keys. Built with reliable performance in mind, the Lockstar offers a sleek modern look that fits nicely on any door while delivering strong everyday security and convenience. Its thoughtful features are designed for real life, making coming and going smoother and safer for everyone. Overall, the Lockstar Fingerprint keyless entry door lock brings together multiple secure unlock methods, automatic locking, real-time app notifications, easy DIY installation, and flexible remote management into one dependable smart lock. It is a smart upgrade that simplifies daily life and gives you greater peace of mind at your front door. Ready to upgrade your home security? Check the price link in the description to find the best deal for your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more smart home reviews and top picks.